I am vlogging this on a period day. This is officially my first ever haul kind of thing today, but I was just in pain. So yeah, I'm excited. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing absolutely good. This is a very impromptu vlog, but if you're new here, hi, my name is Bhavika Upre, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a little snippets of how painful the first day of periods look like of any other normal girl. And there's nothing to be gross about, it's all natural and genetic, and there's also a haul video in the end, so I hope you guys like it. So without a further ado, let's continue. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am vlogging this on a period day. It's my first day and I thought I should vlog it because why just share happy and happening days and why not the dull days. So I thought I'll share my period day with you guys. I'm not gonna do anything, like seriously nothing, because it's just paining too bad. I'm just in my bed and I'm just going to lay down and do nothing. Maybe I'll watch a movie or something and that's it. I have nothing else to do. And maybe I'll see tomorrow what can I do. But I am not sure if I'm going to put this vlog up or not. I'll decide that later in how it turns out. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm just going to sleep. So I did not actually sleep. I was just tossing and turning to find my comfort because it was paining so much that I couldn't stick to one position. And yeah, I just watched a movie and did not even realize how the day went, and that's all I did. Hi guys, good morning. I think you would have missed this energy yesterday, but I was just in pain while starting the vlog. But I thought it's important because हर टाइम हैप्पी मोमेंट शेयर करना ही इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. समटाइम्स इट्स ऑल्सो फाइन इफ़ यू शेयर योर डल डेज एंड आई बिलीव इन दैट. एंड मैं पूरा दिन बेड में सोई थी. आई डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट वॉचिंग अ मूवी. So yeah, but today's plan is I'm going to DMart right now and I'm all ready. So yeah, let's go. I just want to get some basic stuff and I thought why not include this in the vlog. So I'll take you guys along with me and let's see how it goes. Chalo. So this is going to be my outfit for the day. It's very easy and casual. I am back. It's much later in the day and it's actually 9 o'clock. I just completely lost the track of time, but yeah, here we are. And मुझे लगा नहीं था कि सैटरडे को इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ होगी, but actually it's a weekend, so हो सकती है. ये मैंने नहीं सोचा, but गर्दी थी इसलिए I did not vlog anything inside. It was so awkward. I had a few shots in mind जो मुझे aesthetically लेना था, but I did not do it. But yeah, never mind. And उसके बाद I went to a spot to shot a reel and some pictures.
Photo shoot. Roger. Fuck that bitch, try put the fee on it. Bet put the free on it. If it's about money, then we on it. Water on my neck, you can ski on it. You can't.
One eternity later.
So I did that, but I don't know. I think I am not really happy with the reel, the dance reel which I shot. So I might reshoot it again or something. So I have to figure it out yet. But to see that, you have to follow me on Instagram. Please follow me there. I put nice videos. So yeah, and having said that, uske baad when I came home, I was so tired. My body started paining. Yeah, I just dozed off. I just took a nice nap. And after that, I just took a bath and I feel so refreshing. Like, yeah, I just needed it and I feel fresh. So do not expect much from me because I hardly have 6 items with me. And I actually had a budget in mind which was 500. And मैं थोड़ा सा over budget गई, which is 534, which actually is not too much to be honest. मतलब मैं एक बजट डिसाइड करके भी जाऊँ ना तो भी उसके ऊपर चले जाता है. बट आई एम ग्लैड आई डिड नॉट डू दैट. एंड वन टिप दैट आई वुड हाईली सजेस्ट इज मेक अ लिस्ट ऑलवेज. जब भी शॉपिंग जा रहे हो, कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो, प्लीज मेक अ लिस्ट एंड देन गो. क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मेरा ऐसा होता है कि आई जस्ट गो and then I think, oh, I need need this, but actually ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Sometimes it's like you don't need this but you want it, so you get it. That should not happen. So make a list that the things that you need and only get those, and do not waste money. Budget. So without any blabbering, what is this? What? So without any blabbering, let's start the haul. First thing I have is this grey oversized t-shirt. It's from the men's collection from the 99 section. So yeah, I love the print on this. It says 1921 Motorcycle Club Road Race. So these types of loose t-shirts come very handy when it comes to days when you don't want to wear anything.
What the fuck?
Like, not anything, but don't want to wear much, but something loose and comfortable. So yeah, I love it. So इसीलिए मैंने 3 t-shirts लिए हैं, one this and 2 more I have, which I'm going to show now. And this one is the prettiest. Like, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! It says free hugs. Why? Like, how can I not buy this? Like, seriously. And for 99 such good. 99 such good.
Huh?
And main thing, it says free hugs, then you have a cactus. Like, this is so cute. I'm definitely gonna wear it and show you guys. So the next t-shirt I have is this. This is a black and white but also a contrast color in the center. This is also something related to bikes because obviously this was from the men's collection, so it had to be that. This looks so cool. I cannot wait to style it. Talking about the material for 99, what else do you expect? But this is a really good quality. Like, I really like it. It's so nice and breathable. If there's any reason that I go to DMart, then the reason is these loose t-shirts from the men's collection. I love to get t-shirts from the men's collection. It's so cool. Next thing I have is a microfiber. It's so easy. Microfiber. Next thing I have is a microfiber cloth. Actually, microfiber cloth makeup निकालने के लिए बहुत easy होते हैं, and these the Miniso वाला microfiber cloths have been in trend since then, and I wanted to get it. I also went to Miniso to check, but वो time पे नहीं था वहाँ पे, so I thought I just try in DMart or somewhere else, and I finally got it from DMart. It's really nice. I haven't tried it. I'll give you my update once I try, but yeah, it's really nice. Like, this was for 39. And yeah, it's nice. I can try and get one more later, but yeah, it's very thick actually, and these are 2 sizes. One is this yellow and a grey. It's nice. I just kept on talking and I completely forgot to show you guys the other 2 things that I got. The one is this yellow mug, which is so pretty. You guys know yellow is my happy color. This was for only 30 rupees, and for the price that it offers, it's pretty sturdy. And the last thing I got is this pretty bed sheet. The print on this is so fresh, and the pink color is also not too bright, not too light, exactly how I want it. And this was for only 149 rupees, which is such a great deal, I feel. And I wanted to change my bed sheet as well, so that is why I got it. That's it. That was my small DMart haul, but don't worry, there's more haul video coming your way. Also, I'm going to make an announcement really soon. But before that, you have to guess what it can be in the comments below, and then I can see. So yeah, that's it. And I'm also going to get vaccinated really soon. So I think I'm also going to vlog that. So let me know if you want me to vlog or not. I think you want me to vlog. Hi you guys, it's the next day and it's a Sunday, and it's also the 3rd day of my period. But मुझे 3rd day पे ज़्यादा पेन नहीं होता. It's only the 2 days starting का जहाँ पे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पेन and energy drain होता है. I am sure most of the girls can relate to this. So I just wanted to share the experience with you guys. And yeah, that's it. I so try not to work on Sundays, but as you can see, I'm editing the video which you're watching. I hate it. Why do people do this? So I was saying कि I so try. इसके अलावा I don't think I'm going to do anything else. So I would like to end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I so want to grow on YouTube as well, and I'm being very consistent this time. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.